Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Alright, so before we begin our lesson, I'm gonna show you guys this picture of Bumblebee. What do you think bumblebees produce?
Honey.
Honey.
Yeah.
Alright, they produce what's called honey. And can anybody come out and draw somebody how a honeycomb looks like? Wash your head.
Your favorite student.
A honeycomb looks like. Just very
Very
easily
enthusiastic.
how a honeycomb looks like. Okay.
Very detailed.
It's
Wow.
so into it.
Alright. Oh, that's a how do you call this? A honey farm, but a honeycomb. That's very nice.
Like the cereal honeycomb,
Yes.
I ate that for breakfast.
Okay, cool.
That's on honeycomb too. It's very
Very
Okay.
detailed.
very detailed. I should get it.
Alright, a honeycomb looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many shapes? How many sides are there?
6.
6.
Okay, there's 6 sides. Alright, but is this just one honeycomb, right? How many are there in a honeycomb? Do you think there's gonna be a lot?
A lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
Alright. So let's see. A couple more.
Oh.
Alright, now that looks more like a honeycomb, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Now
After a while, it'll look like that.
yeah, after a while it'll look like this thingy. Alright, now a honeycomb. Do you know what shape what is the shape called?
Octagon?
Hexagon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh.
Alright, that's a hexagon. Alright, it is a hexagon. A hexagon is a type of
Shape.
It's a shape. Okay, there's a special term that we call these type of shapes.
Polygonal.
Polygon.
Go.
Alright, polygon. Poly means more than
Many.
Yeah, many. So you see many, and then this one, gon means sides. So how many sides are there? More than
6.
6.
6 sides.
Six sides.
Yeah.
More than one. Alright. So we're gonna learn a little bit more about polygon and how these form like this. It's called tessellate. Tessellate. Anybody can, in your own words, define the word tessellate?
Too big.
Too big? Okay, so this is what we're going to learn today. Tessellate is when you put all these shapes of polygon together and there's no space in between. Do you see that all the sides fit together nicely?
Like a puzzle.
Like a puzzle, exactly, like a puzzle. So it all fits side by side and there's no shapes. And today we're going to do some activities on how to put these shapes together and make it tessellate. Alright? So before that, we're going to review a little bit about the types of polygons there are. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to draw some shapes right here. Okay, let's begin with these. What do you call this one?
Triangle.
And this one?
Square.
Square.
Now, what about this?
Octagon.
Is that a hexagon?
That's a hexagon.
Hexagon.
All right. How many sides are there?
6.
6-sided. Okay, and this is a hexagon. Now, remember that this is a gon side. So let's review. So we have hexagon. That's 6. Hex. It's a term for 6 in Latin. What about 5?
Pentagon?
Penta. All right, penta, 5 side, 5. And what about 7?
Sexta.
I think it's hep.
That's right. And then oct.
Like an octopus.
Yeah, that's how.
9.
No, no.
It's tricky.
No,
That is
no.
Ten?
Deca.
Deca.
So these are the names of these numbers. Now if we put gon and then we will describe the shapes. So let's say 10. 1, 2, 3, oh my gosh, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is a decagon. Alright, and if we do an octagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this is awful, but there you have it. Now, what's special about these shapes? I'm gonna pass one. This is a
Hexagon.
hexagon. Now, inside these envelopes, you have little pieces of hexagon. Okay, I'm gonna pass one to you. There you go. Now, let's pretend that there's a dot in the middle, and let us turn. Let everybody put it up and turn. Okay. Wow, what do you notice if this hexagon is in the middle? Okay, and you keep turning. Does it look the same?
It's the same.
That's
Always the
right.
same.
It's always the same. So if we draw a line, okay, what do you see? What the forms in there?
Triangles.
Triangles. Okay. Now I'm gonna tell you this. Polygons are made out of triangles. All right, and you're gonna see if you fold it, and if you fold it halfway. And then you fold it again, turn and fold it around the corner. Then you turn again and fold it around the corner. So what do you get? Triangles. Now if you do it all in these shapes that I'm going to pass out to you in a couple minutes, we're going to get triangles. Now, something special about these shapes right here is when we have sides, we'll also get, what is this thing over here called?
Angle.
Angles. Okay, it's a degree over there. All right. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, how many angles are we gonna get?
6.
6 angles. All right. Now can somebody point out? Come out. Somebody come out and point out where the angles go. All right. Maybe with this one.
Do you want me to just point this?
Just draw it. Yeah, like, yep, that's 1, 2, 3. Oh, 6. All right, thank you. Is he correct?
Yes.
That's right. So there you have it. 6 angles, 6 sides, and you have a hexagon. Now, what makes it go? What makes it tessellate is because it has these angles is smaller than 360 degrees. If these angles are smaller than 360 degrees altogether, then it will tessellate. Now I'm gonna have you guys try that out, and you're gonna use these shapes to tessellate on your own. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now turn to your neighbor and just explain to each other how a polygon tessellates. So,
So-
the angles.
So,
So if the angles are less than 360 degrees, it'll fit together. So you get it?
yes, I did explain.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good, yeah.
All right. Good. Now I'm gonna show you how it fits. So this is less than 360 degrees. This is going to be 120. Now if you put it side by side, this is also 120, and this one 120. So does it make 360?
Yes.
Yes. Now if we try, let's say, a square, that's also a polygon. If we put it side by side, this is 90, obviously, 90, 90, and 90. 360? That's right. Now if a nonagon, it's greater than one angle. It's actually about 500, oh no, about 120. If you put us, I'm not sure, but it's greater than 120 or 90 degrees. But it's gonna be greater than 360. It won't test. Does everybody get it? Okay. Now I'm gonna hand you guys a worksheet. What we're going to do is we're gonna use these there's gonna be shapes cutouts over there, and we're gonna see if it tessellates, and then we're gonna write down our findings. So you're gonna put down the name of the regular polygon. So now we have these, so you're gonna form the name over there, and then the number of sides it has, and then does it tessellate, and then see if it does or not. Okay, clear?
Yes.
All right, now you will work in pairs. Okay. And everybody, you will work this side together, but everybody will put in, everybody will work together here, but you will all record. Each group will have your own records.
Okay.
Okay. So go ahead. The first one.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Second one.
Square.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
So close.
Ah,
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Octagon.
Octagon.
Is it Tesla?
No, no,
Yeah,
no.
it does.
This is another one.
Oh, no, no, no. That's the next one.
Nonagon.
And then decagon.
Seven.
Seven.
Evagon. Number size.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It's tessellate.
We'll find out. So now you can take these ones now and then start forming
Right.
patterns.
Yeah. And
then
Alright.
once you're done, just put in for the other team to work on. Okay, the envelope. Okay, does it tessellate?
No.
No? Can you make
Yes.
sure?
What?
Does it have spaces?
No.
No? So it tessellates, does it?
No.
No?
Does tessellate.
No.
Yes.
Let's can you teach him why it tessellates? Why
So
it
see why there, see how there's no
Yeah.
spaces? See how it fits together perfectly
Yes.
like a puzzle? That means it
All
tessellates.
these.
Let's try
This one does,
decagon.
that one does.
Look how many sides are that? Is that 10 sides?
Oh no.
I'm actually kind of curious how it fits too.
There's a space, so that means no,
That does not
right?
tessellate.
Does not tessellate.
Oh, sad day.
This one does not.
You sure?
Well, oh, it does?
You can use a pencil just to go for
No, it doesn't. See?
It doesn't?
No.
Alright.
No, it doesn't. I know this.
Just kidding.
What shape is this? Octagon?
This, yep,
This is
this
Does it fit together?
does not tessellate,
No.
unfortunately.
What is that? 1, 2,
2,
Alright.
4, 6, this is a 7.
It's a 7.
Oh, it's a 7.
2, 4, 6, 7. The 7 is no bueno.
Okay.
Is this the same? No, it doesn't.
Squares,
This goes back. Oh, yeah.
intuition tells me that this does, this one definitely
This one doesn't.
tessellates.
So it has a
Definitely.
space.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely.
That's something?
No.
Alright. And the 9, let's see.
Ooh, here's spell this one.
9, 8.
I already did
That
that.
No.
Wait. Makes sense.
No, probably the one you did was,
No.
Okay.
Which one is that?
I have that one.
Does it tessellate? No? Okay, that's right. Alright, what else have you got?
We have 6.
We need 5, 6.
Hexagon? You guys have it.
We have 7.
5, 6, 7 is here.
I have 10 too. There's nothing in here.
Oh.
You guys, help.
Oh, I don't know what happened to that one.
This is 9. 10%.
There's
It's
like 8
inside there. It's inside
pointers.
there.
Here we go.
You putting it in
Oh, there's nothing.
there. Oh, here's 10.
It's a no bueno.
Nope.
What if you can fit a triangle in there? Does that mean it tessellates?
But the triangle is actually it will, but for now we're just looking at one figure. It will tessellate with a triangle. Alright, we're done. You guys are done?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now let's look at the pattern. There's a pattern on your findings. What do you guys find with? What do you guys have found on your patterns? So let's see. Let's see. Does a triangle tessellate?
Yes.
Okay. Square
Yes.
and pentagon.
Yes.
Yes. And hexagon.
Yes.
And what about 7? Heptagon.
No way.
No. Octagon.
Ole.
Nonagon.
No.
Decagon. So what do you notice? What do you notice about this?
Nothing
The
over
more
6
sides,
works.
the more it doesn't. I mean, it doesn't
Yeah.
tessellate.
Okay,
No.
so the more sides, the more it doesn't tessellate.
Yeah.
Because the angle gets
Big.
bigger and then it's greater than
360.
Yay! You guys are great!
Right.
Okay. So, take with you your worksheets and that will be your review tonight. And thank you guys for doing such a great job at school.
No problem.
I just have to go to the